a stage 1 flash tune on this 530i. It's a B48 engine 2-liter. And talking about the feedback or how the car has been from the sound. Oh, I love the sound. The bubbles. Yeah, it's a 5 Series, the 2-liter. Of course, they are not very aggressive, but they are awesome. When I switch to Sport or Sport Plus, the throttle response, amazing, but definitely. And of course, when you talk about the power figures, I haven't done testing because I need more and more open roads, because these kind of tests, you need to be safe, and also the other drivers on the road. That's why I'm able to test in a place like this, where you can go for like 5-10 minutes without seeing another car or another living soul. So in terms of power figures, currently what I've seen, like for the torque, I have seen 90 plus. For the power, I've seen around 35 plus, which is really good for a 2-liter. Yeah. So these new modular BMW engines are very tunable, and you can tell. Yeah. So the car has been enjoyable, and the good thing about this tune is the fuel consumption has remained the same. Awesome, right? You well know, every time you tune your car, of course, most of the time fuel consumption will go higher. So these are an efficiency tune that will give you better fuel consumption with more power.
More power, baby!
Yeah. So keep it daily driven. There will be more coming, of course, as we hunt for more open roads and more corners. Yeah, keep testing and enjoy the car.